Meaning of frivolity.
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 Frivolity. Frivolity refers to behavior that is characterized by a lack of seriousness, importance, or sense of responsibility. It is the tendency to engage in trivial or unimportant matters or activities. Frivolous people often prioritize pleasure and entertainment over more significant things, and may come across as shallow or superficial. While occasional indulgence in frivolous activities can be harmless and fun, excessive frivolity can signal a lack of maturity or a disregard for important responsibilities. In summary, frivolity is a state of being excessively lighthearted or lacking in seriousness, and should be balanced with more meaningful pursuits.